Welcome to Akij Board training tutorial. Today, we're going to see how to achieve maximum perfection with boring and screwing works in particle boards. If your boring screwing is great, your furniture is going to be great for sure. For farm screwing, your boring drilling works have to be flawless. It becomes flawless only when you do all your boring and drilling works with a boring machine. Perfect measurements in boring works make your furniture durable. Screws used in particle boards are distinctly different from the screws used in wood. Particle board screws have flat heads, tapered sides that go down to the threads. For these special features, particle screws can keep firm grip for long. On contrary, wood screws have clear area from head up to the threads. Wood screws are never meant to last long in particle boards. Always use battery or power-operated screwdriver to do screwing works. This kind of screwdriver gives uniform pressure during the entire process. Screw runs smoothly deep inside the boards, and the edges of the screw holes don't get damaged. Using hammer to fix screws will ruin your board, and those screws never last long. Screws fixed in straight lines look aesthetic on furniture. Boring machine helps you keep them in straight line.